Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10C and let me share with you how to remove browsing history on this device. So first of all we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now all we have to do is to simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to enter the history here. And as you can see, here we've got some previously opened websites. So of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you've got a lot of previously opened websites, then I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data. And as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything, so I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data. And as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is currently empty, and it simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So starting from the browsing history and ending on, for example, saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.